Have you ever wondered what the secret to lasting, fulfilling friendships is? In a world where social media, likes, and instant messages can make us feel connected, we might wonder, are we truly cultivating deep, meaningful relationships, or simply skimming the surface of genuine human connection? We live in an age where the pursuit of superficial connections often eclipses the pursuit of authentic, fulfilling friendships. Yet, the ancient Stoics, particularly Marcus Aurelius, offer wisdom that can help us rediscover what true friendship means. For Marcus Aurelius, the Roman emperor and Stoic philosopher, friendship was not just a social commodity. It was an essential part of a virtuous and meaningful life. If you're someone who wants to create relationships that go beyond small talk and casual interactions, then Marcus' timeless reflections might just change the way you see friendship. In this essay, we'll explore the deep wisdom Marcus Aurelius provides on this subject, and how his insights can guide us toward cultivating friendships that are grounded in trust, respect, and shared purpose. Hello, and welcome to the Unfolding Journey YouTube channel, where we explore timeless lessons from philosophy, self-development, and life's deeper questions. If you're someone who's on a quest for greater meaning in your relationships and personal growth, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll dive into the true meaning of friendship as seen through the eyes of one of history's greatest minds, Marcus Aurelius. So grab a cup of tea, relax, and let's embark on this journey to unravel what true friendship looks like according to the Stoic philosophy. Marcus Aurelius was not just a ruler of a vast empire. He was also a Stoic philosopher who believed that true happiness and fulfillment come from living in accordance with nature, reason, and virtue. His personal reflections, recorded in his work Meditations, serve as a powerful guide to navigating life's challenges and relationships. When it comes to friendship, Marcus emphasized qualities like virtue, honesty, and a shared sense of purpose. For him, friendship was not about seeking external validation or fleeting pleasures, but about pursuing moral excellence together. In the Meditations, Marcus wrote, "When you wake up in the morning, tell yourself, the people I deal with today will be meddling, ungrateful, arrogant, dishonest, jealous, and surly. They are like this because they can't tell good from evil." Yet, despite acknowledging the flaws of people, he didn't write off relationships entirely. Instead, he believed that friendship, true friendship, could be a path to moral growth. At the heart of Marcus Aurelius' philosophy of friendship is the idea that relationships must be founded on shared virtue. To Marcus, the best friendships are those where both individuals are committed to growing in character, wisdom, and moral integrity. Virtue is the guiding principle of Stoicism, and it is the measure by which all human relationships should be evaluated. Consider this. True friends, according to Marcus, do not encourage one another to indulge in fleeting pleasures or superficial desires. Instead, they help each other become better people. A Stoic friendship is one where the goal is not to satisfy emotional needs or gratify selfish desires, but rather to build a life of meaning and purpose through mutual support. Marcus said, "The best way to avenge yourself is not to become like the wrongdoer." This wisdom extends into friendship. True friends, in Marcus' view, don't engage in petty revenge or manipulative behaviors. Instead, they rise above negativity and focus on supporting each other's virtuous development. As you reflect on your own friendships, ask yourself, are these relationships encouraging you to be a better person? Are they helping you to grow in wisdom, resilience, and integrity? For Marcus Aurelius, friendships are not just a source of emotional support. They also provide strength in times of adversity. Stoicism teaches that life is full of challenges, and it is through facing these challenges with resilience that we develop wisdom. A true friend is someone who helps you navigate difficult times with grace and understanding. In Meditations, Marcus often writes about the impermanence of life, the inevitability of death, and the importance of accepting things beyond our control. But in the midst of these reflections, he also acknowledges the importance of human connection. A good friend, according to Marcus, helps you accept life's hardships with strength and dignity. They offer wisdom and support when you feel overwhelmed, and they help you maintain your moral compass in times of trouble. The Stoic view of friendship isn't about seeking comfort in times of hardship, but rather about building a relationship that can help you grow stronger through adversity. True friends challenge one another, push each other to rise above difficulties, and hold each other accountable. They are not there to simply provide a shoulder to cry on. They are there to help you become the best version of yourself, even when life is hard. One of the key themes that runs through Marcus Aurelius' writings is the idea of selflessness. In Stoic thought, a virtuous person is someone who acts in the service of the common good, not just for personal gain. This same principle applies to friendship. A true friend, according to Marcus, is not motivated by selfish interests, but by a genuine desire to see the other person thrive. Marcus said, "It is not death that a man should fear, but he should fear never beginning to live." True friendships help individuals to live in the fullest sense of the word, by encouraging each other to live in accordance with virtue and purpose. A friend who only seeks to take from you, whether emotionally, physically, or mentally, is not truly your friend. On the other hand, a friend who is motivated by a desire to see you succeed, grow, and flourish is a true ally. In this sense, Marcus' Stoic approach to friendship calls us to cultivate relationships built on genuine care for others, not out of obligation or desire for reward. A friendship grounded in altruism is one where both people genuinely care about the other's well-being and are willing to offer support without expecting anything in return. Another key aspect of Marcus Aurelius' view on friendship is the importance of mutual respect. Respect in a friendship is not just about admiration. It's about treating each other as equals and recognizing each other's inherent worth. The Stoics believed in the idea of cosmic unity, that all humans are part of a greater whole, and that we share a common rationality and moral purpose. In his Meditations, Marcus wrote, "What is not good for the beehive cannot be good for the bees." This principle is relevant to friendship as well. If one friend is acting in ways that harm the greater good or violate the basic principles of respect, then the friendship is no longer in alignment with the Stoic vision of virtue. True friends, in Marcus' view, don't manipulate or take advantage of each other. They respect one another's autonomy, acknowledge each other's strengths and weaknesses, and support one another without undermining each other's integrity. The foundation of this respect comes from the recognition that, at our core, we are all part of the same human family. As such, we should treat each other with kindness, fairness, and a sense of shared purpose. Finally, Marcus Aurelius emphasizes that time is precious and limited, which means that we should be intentional about how we spend it, especially when it comes to the people we choose to surround ourselves with. Stoicism teaches us to focus on what we can control and let go of the things that are beyond our influence. One of the things we can control, according to Marcus, is the quality of our relationships. When he reflected on his own life, Marcus was acutely aware of the passing of time. He urged himself to make the most of each day, to live with intention, and to focus on what truly matters. True friendship, in this sense, is about making the most of the time we have together, fostering meaningful connections that nourish our souls and help us become better individuals. In practical terms, this means that we must choose our friends wisely. We should invest our time and energy in relationships that enrich our lives, rather than those that drain us or lead us astray. A true friend values the time you spend together and makes it count. Marcus Aurelius' teachings on friendship offer us a profound perspective on what it means to build lasting, meaningful relationships. In a world that often prioritizes instant gratification and shallow connections, his Stoic philosophy reminds us that true friendship is based on virtue, respect, selflessness, and a shared commitment to living a life of meaning. So, as you reflect on your own friendships, ask yourself, are you building relationships based on these principles? Are you nurturing connections that help you grow in virtue, wisdom, and character? And are you offering the same kind of support and respect to your friends that you would hope to receive? If you enjoyed this exploration of Marcus Aurelius' Guide to Friendship, be sure to hit the subscribe button and join us on this unfolding journey of wisdom and self-discovery. Let's continue to explore the deeper meaning of life together and build relationships that last a lifetime. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos on philosophy, self-growth, and meaningful connections. Thanks for being part of the Unfolding Journey community.